Good morning, my dear students. Today, let us start exercise 1.3. All of you know what is terminating, non-terminating, recurring, non-terminating, non-recurring. You know that terminating means the remainder, we will get the remainder 0. Terminate, non-terminating, recurring means that division is not ending, we will get repeating digits. Non-terminating, non-recurring means the division is not ending and the digits not repeating. That is non-terminating, non-recurring. Terminating and non-terminating recurring are rational numbers. Non-terminating, non-recurring is irrational number. That much is clear. Now let us do exercise. All of you write exercise 1.3. First question you write the following in decimal form and say what kind of decimal expansion each has. Question number 1 is the 6 subdivisions are there. Number 1, 36 by 100. All of you know the decimal expression of this. Here how many zeros? 2 zeros. So we have 2 decimal places, that is equal to 0.36. That we can written as 0.36. That is okay. Then number 2, 1 by 11. That we have to divide. All of you do division is working column. 1 by 11. In 1, how many 11s are there? We can do it. Then we can put decimal. Then we can write 0 here. In 10, how many 11s are there? 0 11s. In 10 there is 11? No. So we have to write 0 in quotient. Then we have to write one more 0. In 100, how many 11s are there? 9. 9 11s are 99. Is it clear? Then subtraction 1. In 1, 11s are there? No. Then we put 0. In 10, 11s are there? No. Then put 0 in quotient. Then one more 0. In 100, how many 11s are there? 9. 9 11s are 99. This division is repeating like this. So we can write the answer as 0.0909 etc. That is equal to 0.09 bar. 0 and 9 is repeating. This is non-terminating recurring. Non-terminating recurring. This is rational number. Once more I will do the division. All of you listen here. 1 by 11. In 1, how many 11s are there? 1 in 11 undo? There is no. So we can put decimal here and we can give 1 0. Then the number is 10. In 10, how many 11s are there? 0 11s are there. So in quotient we put 0. Then one more 0 we are giving here. In 100, how many 11s are there? 9. 9 11s are 99. Then subtraction 1 is here. In 1 there is no 11. Then put 1 0. 10, how many 11s are there? 0. Then put one more 0. In 100, how many 11s are there? 9. That is 99. Again 1. This division is repeating like this. So the answer is 0.09 bar. Then number 3. Third question is 4 1 by 8. This is a mixed fraction. We can convert this into improper fraction. 8 fours are 32. 32 plus 1 is 33 by 8. We can do this division also in working column. 33 by 8. In 33, how many 8s are there? 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32. 4, 8 fours are 32. Then 1. There is no digits, so give the decimal sign and put 1 0. In 10, how many 8s are there? 1. 1 8s are 8. Then 2, 20. In 20, how many 8s are there? 2. 8 2s are 16. Then 4. In 40, how many 8s are there? 5. 5 8s are 40. The division is ending. The remainder becomes 0. So this also terminating. That is equal to 4.125. This division is terminating. So this is a rational number. Now question number 4. 3 by 13. Then we can do 3 divided by 13. In 3, how many 13s are there? 0. So we can give 0.30. In 30, how many 13s are there? 2. 2 into 13 is 26. Then 4, 40. In 40, how many 13s are there? 3 into 13 is 39. So here 39. Then 1, 10. In 10, how many 13s are there? 0. Then 100. In 100, how many 13s are there? 13 into 7. 7 3s are 21. Carry over to 91. So we can write here 7. 91. Then what is remaining? 9. In 90, how many 13s are there? 78. That is 6. Here 78. 2, 12. Then 120. In 120, how many 13s are there? 9. 9 into 13 is equal to, these are 21, carry over to 11. Again 9. In 90, how many 13s are there? Here 117. 10 minus 7 is 3. Then 30. In 30, how many 13s are there? 2. Here 26. Then 4. 40. Here also 40. Like this continuing. Then what we can write? That is equal to 0.23076 whole bar. This is non-terminating recurring. Non-terminating recurring. This is also a rational number. In this question, we have to write what type of numbers are there. This is terminating. Next one is non-terminating recurring. Recurring means repeating. Non-terminating recurring. This one is terminating. This one is non-terminating recurring. Two subdivisions more there, fifth one and sixth one. You try to do it as homework. Question number 2. You know that 1 by 7 is equal to 0.142857 whole bar. Can you predict what the decimal expansions of 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7 are without actually doing the long division? Question mark. If so, how? What we have to find? 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7 and 6 by 7. Now we can find 2 by 7. How we can find 2 by 7? 2 by 7 is equal to 2 into 1 by 7. That is equal to 2 into, what is 1 by 7? 0.142857 whole bar. That is, let us do the multiplication. 0.142857 into 2. 7 2s are 14, carry over 1, 11, carry over 1, 17, carry over 1, 5, 4 2s are 8, 1 2s are 2. That is equal to 0.285714 bar. Now we can find 3 by 7. 3 by 7 is equal to 3 into 1 by 7. That is equal to 3 into 0.142857 whole bar. Now we can multiply 0.142857 into 3. 7 3s are 21, carry over 2, 15, 17, carry over 1, 25, carry over 2, 8, 4 3s are 12, carry over 1, 4. That is equal to 0.42857 bar. Four by 7 is equal to 4 into 1 by 7. That is equal to 4 into 0.142857 bar. That is equal to 0.571428. Same like this, we can find 5 by 7 and 6 by 7. All of you write the notes very neatly. Third one, you already do it as homework. Question number 4. Express 0.999 etc. 0.999 etc. in the form P by Q. Full stop. Are you surprised by your answer? With your teacher and classmates, discuss why the answer makes sense. So first step is, let x is equal to 0.999 etc. Last class we already discussed how we can represent in rational form. How many digits are repeating here? Only one digit. So we can multiply both sides by 10. Then 10x is equal to 9.999 etc. This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. 2 minus 1 gives 10x minus x, that is 9x is equal to 9 minus 0 is 9. Therefore, x is equal to 9 by 9 is equal to 1. 0.9999 etc. is equal to 1. How we got this 1? This is very near to 1. So, this becomes 1. Okay. Now, we can wind up the class. All of you study very well terminating, non-terminating, recurring, non-terminating, non-recurring, rational numbers, irrational numbers, everything. Then only you can follow the class. Okay, today we are going to wind up the class. Thank you.